Hello mga mommies! Welcome to my vlogs. Whatever. I am Mommy Emmy, ang inyong bagong financial advisor pagdating sa utang. But for now, I'm going to share with you ano nga ba ang Bukas PH? Paano nga ba ako nakautang kay Bukas PH? If you find this helpful to you, then please get involved. There are colleges and universities po in the Philippines which is partner with Bukas PH, like LaSalle University, Adam University, Mapa University, and Lyceum of the Philippines. And also SJIT, which is St. Joseph Institute of Technology, my very own hometown. And many more schools na hindi ko na-mention. So makikita nyo naman at the bottom of their website, doon natin makikita ang mga schools that is partner with Bukas PH. Disclaimer lang po mga mommies that this video is not sponsored by Bukas. This video po is based on my experiences, so dapat ako muna ang mauna, makinabang before ko i-share sa inyo. And take note mga mommies that Bukas Finance Corporation is registered with Financing Company of Security and Exchange Commission. That's why I assure you mga mommies that these are safe. So now, let's move on. Pag-usapan natin, what is Bukas PH? Bukas PH is an education financing platform on a mission to democratize access to higher education in the Philippines. In partnership with leading education institutions, they offer affordable financing solutions for Filipino students, especially to those who are mommies, students na nahihirapan sa kanilang tuition fees. So, ako din po mga mommies ay nag-aaral ng MBA with specialization in social entrepreneurship and management sa isang school which is partner ni Bukas PH. At ang Bukas po ay laking tulong sa akin para mabayaran ko ang tuition ng magaan lang, especially kung marami ka ng priority. So, nakakatulong si Bukas para ma-stretch ang babayaran mo with a small interest. So now, I'm going to share with you the top 6 common question para makaloan sa Bukas PH. So first question, principal or loan amount? So magkano nga ba ang pwede kong mahiram? Instead na babayaran mo siya ng full amount of your tuition at the start of the semester, in Bukas, you can pay it back later in a smaller amount. So but of course, since it is flexible, do you remember that students' loans or installment plans, they charge interest rates and fees in exchange for their services. So now, let's move on to the top 2 questions. So interest rates and other fees, magkano nga ba ang mababayaran? So you should be aware na lahat naman ng utang, of course, may interest. Unless na lang sa friend mong umutang nang wala na ngang interest, hindi pa marunong magbayad. Interest rate is the percentage of the principal that you are going to pay by the lender in exchange for borrowing the money. So the simple way to calculate the interest you owe is multiplying the interest rate by the total amount borrowed, and of course, they also have origination fee. So one-time payment lang siya, and that is for only processing fee that they charge to keep their operations going. And that is for the top 2. Let's move on to the top 3 question. Repayments and installments. So kailan ko kaya siya kailangan bayaran? Bukas PH has this maturity option for you to pay depending on your budget. So they have 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, lastly, and 12 months. Pero of course, the longer the maturity, the higher the interest. Besides, you can easily get another one tuition for the next semester. So even if may utang ka pa ni Bukas, you can still avail another one din naman. But of course, naging patong-patong na siya yung babayaran. So it depends sa panon nyo, it's still your choice pa rin naman. And another one question is, when or how do you start with your repayments? Ang first monthly installment plan mo will due at least 30 days upon the approval of your loan. So you can pay your monthly dues online or over the counter at partner banks and non-bank payment centers. So, and now let's move on to the top 4 questions. So application process and requirements for tuition installments plan. Paano nga ba mag-apply? So this is no more no forms to manually fill out. Getting a Bukas tuition installment plan is simple and fully online, so you can seamlessly enroll in school and focus on achieving your dreams. And then let's move on to the top 5 questions. So what are the requirements to become a Bukas borrower? You must be a Filipino citizen. Yes. And you should at least 18 years old. 18. You must be enrolled as an undergraduate or postgraduate student at one of their partner schools. you and your co-borrower will need to prepare your valid IDs, proof of residence, and proof of income. And for the top 6 question, can I still borrow for my next term if I have an existing Bukas tuition installment plan? Yes, of course. But that is based on your performance. If good payer ka normally, si Bukas pa magsasuggest sa'yo na you are eligible to get another installment plan. Yay! But of course, make sure that you are a good borrower. Kasi once good payer ka, tataasan nila yung credit limit mo to avail more of tuition fee. So take note lang po, ang tuition fee can be directly paid by the school. So hindi wala po tayong mahahawakan ni piso. Directly po siya binabayad sa school kung saan kayo naka-enroll. Now, if you breach the contract naman, so ibang usapan naman yun, and I don't want to discuss that. So I expect that when you choose Bukas PH, in return of your studies, balikan mo din naman si Bukas. Kasi it's for your own good naman eh. Hindi naman para sa kanila. So, binayaran nila yung tuition mo, so bayaran mo din sila ng mas maayos. And that's it lang po mga kapatid